Hello guys. I want to introduce you the best deal in the universe right now. It's a 2018 Jeep Compass Limited, fully loaded with every possible option. Listen, be careful. It's $199 bi-weekly. It's insane. Less than $400 for the fully loaded Compass. They have like 15% off. I think it's actually probably more than that. They're usually about $46,000 or something like that, but right now it's $199. It's absolutely amazing. Let's see what you get. This looks the new Jeep Compass, the new body style almost looks like, you know, like a Grand Cherokee. But the savings, it's unbelievable for $199 bi-weekly. This is the best deal. We sold so many Compasses, and I think this is the last one fully loaded left. And it's amazing. Look at all those fog lamps, all this chrome trim, and has a blind spot monitors. It's a 4-cylinder engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission. There's unbelievable 4 disc brakes, and this one is also 4x4. So here we go, Compass. You get the cool, you see the chrome trim and the lights in the sides. Plus you can see in the mirrors there's a blind spot monitor here and a heated element in the sides. And proximity key, that's how you lock your doors, and that's how you unlock when you put your hand inside. It's amazing car. I actually was considering maybe myself will get one of those because the room wise and the space wise, it's phenomenal. So you can see limited 4x4, cool LED lights in the back, comes with the roof racks, and this one actually has a panoramic sunroof. I'll show you in a second. Plus the cool thing, this one also has a power tailgate. So you can either open from the key fob or from the inside, and also you can close it from the back. There's a button over here. You have 12-volt plug over here. And you can see there's a 60-40 seats. You can fold down them. There's the floor mats. Let's see what we have underneath here. Here we go. You got extra storage. Or if you want to put spare tire, because most vehicles come with the compressors right now. Because I don't actually remember any customer when he changed the spare tire himself. So lots of room in the back. And in the back over here you have separate ventilation for the people over here. Plus you get the regular power outlet, you get the USB plug. And that's how it looks from the back. It's awesome. Look at all that sunroof, all that light in the back. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. No, I'm not surprised why we're selling them so quick. Look at all this trim, all this finishing. Unbelievable. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got also the power seats, and this is full leather, so it's got perforated leather, so heated as well. And it's got the automatic lights. There's dash lights and instrument panel lights, and it's got the, let's see, where's the heated element? So control, here's your heated seats and a heated steering wheel. So this will be nice and warm, and when you start remote start, this is also warms up, and then you come to vehicle nice and warm. Here's your Bluetooth, that's computer. So you can change stuff over here like a speedometer, tire pressure monitor, fuel economy and stuff like that. That's your beep, that's your cruise control. In the back of the steering wheel, we have extra buttons for safety, so you can change your volume in the station, so you don't need to take away your hands. There's a windshield wiper front and the back. There's a turn signal, and if you just stop it, flashes 3 times and stops. That's awesome feature. And what else we got? So here we have handbrake. That's how you turn it on, and when you hit the brake and push it down, turn it off. Vehicle also has automatic engine shutdown system, so if you stop a long time at the red light, it shut down the engine, and then when you release the brakes a little bit, it's turn it back. It's a cool stuff to save fuel, right? Traction control, that's transmission, and you can actually shift as a manual as well. When you put reverse, you're gonna have a backup camera. The tailgate is open right now. Let's close the tailgate. Where's the button for the tailgate? Let's see, it's over here. Let's close the tailgate, see how it works. Here we go. And cool thing, when you turn the steering wheel, you see, it will show you where you're actually going. So it helps. And it's got the dual temperature control. That's a driver and a passenger side, air conditioner, parking sensors in the back as well. You can turn them off in case, you know, if it's dirt or if you tow anything, you can turn them off. They don't disturb you too much. And it's a 4x4, so you can lock it or just leave it automatic. So like most people just leave automatic and fully trust the computers. It senses traction losing and minus temperature and kicks it in, right? USB auxiliary 12-volt plug over here, plus you have all this cool radio, satellite radio, AM, FM, and a media if you want to stream from a Bluetooth. Guys, this is absolutely amazing what you can get for the money right now. Absolutely amazing. That's your sunroof, and you can completely close that cover if it's too bright. You can all close it. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, for $199 bi-weekly, you can have that vehicle. Text me, call me anytime for any details. I can work out the trade-in. If you need cash back, if you want to save some other stuff, let me know. We can always work something out. 778-321-0453. My name is Norm, and this is Stream from Langley Chrysler. Thank you very much, and stay subscribe, like us, and we're going to have more product and more promotions and things like that. But don't miss this one, $199. Phenomenal deal, trust me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.